So what's new and different? There's me 170 coming out the station, corner station. There's my house. Don't know if you'll make out the lights on it. The other one, I don't think the lights are working. There's my new installed light. I shall feature in a minute or two. I have painted some more scenery, or some more hillside has grown naturally along here. I have, oh, this is quite good. I've put some wires on the telegraph poles. Next. So the 170's gone in. Hopefully the point's changed, my automatic doodah. Just see that light flashing under my earth, surface of the earth. And what should happen is the red one should come out. Let's look at my telegraph poles again. Oh, neat. See, this house, it's got lights and a phone line. No, it didn't happen. Oh, I don't know why that's not working. Anyway, we'll skip to that. We'll solve that in a minute. That's a horrible lump of something I made. It's just horrible. I was playing with that plastery stuff. That's a horrible zone over there. What else is new? Yeah. Put some green stuff down here. I'm not buying that again. This roll stuff, it's horrible. It's crap. Don't like it. What else is new? Oh, over there. And that, can't remember what you call that plastery stuff. But anyway, I used it all up because I thought there's not a lot of space on here for hillside in 3D. So anyway, I've used it up over there. Sort of a wee bit 3D effect. I'm trying to do a bit more scenery. Oh, I've made a wee bit more platform. So this one now comes down to here. Got an extra bit. Edge of that controller there. Bit too long for there. And it's a bit too wide for in there, so either I make new platform, which I'll have to do anyway, for in between, in just here, I'm going to have another bit. Oh, technical stuff, is all these sensors for these automated point systems. Each sensor has 4 connections, and there was a mess of wires under there with that. I discovered, I did buy ages and ages ago, I would show you, but I can't remember what it is. 4-core wire. But it was more like 4-core wire for about 3000 volts. It's really thick. And then I discovered, accidentally, while I was shopping for something completely different, alarm wire. 4-core. So, these 2 wires now replace 8. Next little thing. And how could I forget the blatantly obvious? New lights. New lights. LEDs donated me by PubPal, really. So yeah, new lights. So I hope it's a bit lighter in here. Might come across. That's that thing going back again. Let's turn a dial and see what else we can play with. Will we have Bachmann again? Will we? Right, let's see. And it's on the outside line, which is that. Bachmann! Thinking about it, yep. And straighten that point out again. I'll play safe. Oh, I forgot I had that. I forgot I had that wee steamy thing on. Why are you playing that? Slowed down there. I had this belly on testing something. Oh, there's Bachmann. Oh, and 170. And for some reason the Bachmann seems to have stopped. Not like me to have a dramatic fail. How boring. There's the 170. No, that's the 158 going back. So that wee system over there seems to be working. Now let's see if we can do something fancy here. It'll go pear-shaped. I'm going to let Bachmann come round. And I'm going to stop it here. Then I'm going to open up that. Some points, right. You just have to trust me, I know what I'm doing. Though I don't. That one? No, it's not that one. Not that one. It should be that. Ah, it's that one. Right. And the far end one, which should be this one. And now, thingamajigger. You shouldn't move. Oh no, I'll have to isolate that one as well. Right. I'll have to think. Now. Ah! Fat Boy should come out. Some derailed coaches, sounds of it. Hey! Stop! Right, so I've pulled 55 out onto the same line as the 46. And let's just see if they run together with the point controller thing. Oh, it stopped it, but it started it again. Right. So that one's away. Why is that stopped? Okay. There's the panic. Continue. Bachmann. Or 46. 55. Now hopefully this trips this light. Why you not trip the light? Really annoyed. And this is why sometimes I really hate this. Sensor doesn't decide to stop that sometimes. Rat runs into that. Everything's on its side. I'm going to watch TV.